What's wrong?
No, and don't ask me again. I'm not shaking your hand.
What's wrong?
I did not say don't ask. Oh, I think I tell you don't ask me again.
What's wrong?
Oh, I know you didn't just ask me again. I said don't ask.
I said no.
Why? Why?
Because you can't.
Oh, whatever, man.
I said no.
Whatever, man. Whatever.
I'm serious.
Why?
No.
Oh, whatever, man. Whatever.
No.
Oh.
Get out. Get.
No.
Get out.
No.
I don't care. Get out.
I'm not.
Get out.
No.
Get out. Out.
No.
Get out.
No.
Get out.
I'm not.
Out.
No.
Get-
All right, I'm getting out. But he smelled so bad, bro. I couldn't even play with him. It was messing with my nose. I was like, ugh, dude, do they not bathe you over there, man? I can't play with you no more. That's what I told him. You think I was wrong for that? You think I was wrong for that? You think I was wrong, don't you?